pancakes.
What did he say?
No, that's not it. There's something else that a few of you know about me, and it's not about pancakes. It's when I started making videos. Something I used to like to do a lot was a rebuild team. Now, that was mostly on 2K. I like to take some garbage teams. So this is what we're gonna do. We're picking a team. This time, I'm going with my favorite team, the Giants. And I wish I could wear a Giants jersey, but I'm like, hey, why not wear a Barcelona shirt?
That doesn't make sense.
Also, let me know in the comment section which team we should rebuild for the next episode. I'm going to rebuild this entire team and go through the entire season in this one episode, okay? Every episode is a new team. Now, what we're going to do is, if I don't win this Super Bowl, I got to buy one flashback pack and quick sell the pull. One, if I don't win the Super Bowl. If I don't make the playoffs, or if I get fired at the end of the season, 3 flashback packs. Alright, so let's see what we got cooking. And if it's not pancakes, then I don't really want to eat it.
Fair enough.
Alright, we got Eli at the quarterback. Yeah, I don't know. Rashad Jennings, not bad, not bad. Odell Beckham in your face. Odell begging for a quarterback junior. Odell Beckham Jr.
You really are crazy.
And then, the offensive line is kind of some garbage. Eric Flowers, 72 overall right tackle. What in the world is that? What are we going to do with that? Larry Donnell, more like Larry doesn't catch the ball. Nell.
It doesn't matter what you think.
We need a better defensive tackles, and our entire secondary, what would be the politically correct way to say it? Sucks! Alright, we need to release some players. Bobby Hart, I just didn't have the heart to keep you in.
Really?
Alright, let's see what we got popping with the free agents right here. We need some fire. Alright, we need a right tackle because ours is hot garbage. David Stewart, he's expensive. Let's go. We gotta sign a lot of players. As soon as I advance, a lot of these players are gone. I'm actually gonna get Jermichael Finley because I feel like a little bit extra offense won't hurt. Jermichael Finley, alright. I don't really like Rashad Jennings. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I feel like I need a better running back. And my linebackers and safeties are still garbage. Dang it. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's see what we get with Marshawn Lynch. Marshawn Lynch is a little bit older. I just need one fire season out of you. Let me lob you a 4th round pick for Marshawn Lynch. Didn't think so.
You didn't see that coming?
I will give you a 2nd round pick for Marshawn Lynch, and I don't mind that at all. I do not mind that at all. Dude, come on. What else am I gonna give? Just a 1st round pick. Dude, are you serious? Hey, he's 30. 2 1st round picks. Does that make you happy? Does that make you happy? No. You kidding me? How?
I'm here so I won't get fined.
Got him! Fight me right now, Mars. Actually, you might be the last person I'd want to fight. You know what I want? I love Lamar Miller. Alright, I'm lobbing in a 5th round pick too, okay? A 2nd round pick, a 5th round pick, and Orleans Darkwa, okay? I don't know. I'm giving you future stuff. Just let me get that Lamar Miller. Let me get that Lamar Miller. Let's go. Gigi, let's go, baby. Look at that beautiful A. Look at that beautiful A. I haven't been seeing those on my report cards for quite a while.
You're stupid.
Alright, I'm giving you a 1st, a 3rd, and a 4th from now. I don't understand. He's a 90. Okay, you know what? How about who's the other dude on the Cardinals? Who's that? The fast one, John Brown. There you go. I'm gonna give you a 6th and a 7th round pick. What do you think about that? I didn't think so. I'm gonna give you the 4th round pick. Williams High, a 75 tight end. Let me get a 7th round pick, please. Can I get a 7th round pick, please? That would be. Hey, let's go! Why not? Why not let it fly? Why not let it fly? Why not let it fly? And get a 7th round pick like that. Let me take my victory water. Feel like a successful GM.
You're a failure.
George Iloca! You're gonna make me go Loca! Get it? Because Loca means crazy in Spanish. 3rd round pick, call it a done deal. Thank you. You see, are you kidding me? Look at our defense. It's just, our free safety's not good, and the linebackers are weak. Alright, this is what we're gonna do, guys, because I feel like we need some better defense. But let's go one game, alright? We got a game versus the Cowboys. We're gonna simulate the 1st game, and let's just see how it goes, okay? Alright, show me a 1-0. Yo, come on, how? 0-1? On the Cowboys? Okay, alright. This is 28-14. Who played garbage? Who did it? Who did it? Whose fault is it? Whose fault is it?
It's me.
I can't be afraid to use my picks because we're only playing for one season. I gotta make some trades. We need a better secondary. All right, Derek Johnson, 85 overall. This trade would cause the Giants to exceed the maximum roster. Okay, that means they want it, but it just can't happen. Let me give you those 2 picks, and let me give you what you need. A receiver? No, I need receivers too, fam. Take it easy. Come on, that's it. That's a big play, Derek Johnson. That's a big play, Derek Johnson. Falcons are also 0-1. Here we go. Beat the Falcons. Let's go. Give me a W. Thank you, EA. Thank you, Madden. Thank you, T. That's my man. That's my man, Eli. Lamar Miller. I love Lamar Miller. Over 100 yards. John Brown, we traded for him too. All right, let's go. Let's keep advancing. Right now, things are going well. The advancement of the week, and let's get a W. Let's go. 2-game winning streak, baby. What's the score? Did we demolish them? Did we hand them the work? Yes, we did. 31-20. Hold that big, fat, sweaty L, sir. L. 3-1. Can I drop the mic? Drop the controller. It's just as good. 3-1. Hand the Bills an L2. Tell me we can't do it. 38-10. You see what that defense does? 4-1. 3-2. Who got Rich? No! Not my offensive line. Who else? Anybody else think they can get injured right now? Upper arm. Okay, this is not good. This is not good at all. All right, Roberto Garza. We're just gonna sign him, man. I see somebody to replace the dude. On the O-line. Let's go. We can't lose to everyone in the division and still make the playoffs. Come on, maybe we can. Can we win it? Let's go 4-2. Oh no, we're playing the Cowboys. Is anybody injured? Is everybody good? Is everybody A-okay? Yes. We would be ahead of them, I think. I don't know, man. Yeah, we would be ahead of them to get first place in the NFC East, bro. To get first in the NFC East.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that?
Dang.
You put me at
588 yards. 588 yards on offense they got. All right, so I feel like we could use a better defensive tackle. David Harrison.
Hi.
I'm trying for our first round pick, but they're not taking that. I want some DT. It's our defense. We're not getting enough sacks, not bringing enough pressure. Daniel Fells, take him. Take Daniel Fells. Take him with you. Haloti Ngata, thank you. Haloti, not a problem. To get him. Haloti Ngata, not a problem. But I don't think our offense is the problem. We should score a lot of points. It's the defense, dude. Look at this. We have Haloti Ngata and Hankins and Selby. Oh, no. Not my best play. No. 97. No. Sir. No. My best player overall? 97 is injured? Are you kidding me, man?
You cannot be serious!
Beat 6-1 New Orleans. Hey, we got it! Oh, my goodness. How did I spill my water just by sitting down? I don't know. Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie, my number 1 cornerback, my best cornerback, is out for 6 weeks. It's almost the entire rest of the season, dude. We got it, man. We got it. I can't be too excited because I know we're still like 6-3 is really good, but so many players just getting injured, man. Sound good? Did we win? 42-7. No, we didn't win. We didn't win. We lost 42-7. Way to go. Oh, Lamar Miller got hurt. Anything else should happen while we're waiting here? Lamar Miller got hurt. Like one of the best players on the team. How long? You need cartilage to have 4 weeks. That's almost the rest of the season. Why am I doing this right now? I don't know. Hey, that was not smart. Not too? Did we beat them too? Did we beat them too? No, we lost to the Dolphins. Why? Thank goodness we got Dominic Cromartie back. Oh man. Oh man, is anybody injured? We're looking good. You saw that. We just beat the Panthers 38-7. Did you see that? We just beat the Panthers 38-7. Call that a rebuild. Call that a rebuild, dude. Call that a rebuild. 9-5. Come on. If we win both games, if we win 11 games and don't make the playoffs, then I don't even know anymore. Win these games and finish it off strong with a healthy team. And the Cowboys still winning. Oh boy. Look at that. Robert Ayers is looking like a 99 overall right now. This is the team I wanted, guys. This is the kind of team I wanted. Show it. Show it to me. Show it to me. Come on. Bye-bye. So please show 11-5. Please show 11-5. Please show 11-5.
11.
And we're playing the Cowboys in the wild card. Oh my goodness. Come on. Please, bro. Please, bro. Please, man. Please, man. The Cowboys. It's the Cowboys, man. It's the Cowboys. They're one of the hardest teams for us. I don't know why. For us to beat sometimes. Did we get the win? Yes, we did, baby! Yes, we did! What was the score? 38-27. Oh my goodness, dude. Okay, who are we playing right now? It's the Saints. We need 2 more wins to get to the Super Bowl. We can win the Super Bowl, bro. This is possible. Hand them this big, fat, win the conference championship. What I say, don't doubt us. I actually kind of doubted myself. I did not think this was going to happen. Okay, players are healthy. Players are good to go. Lamar Miller is good. Oh, no. John Brown is injured.
Please, no!
So
No!
even if we win, it doesn't look like he's back for the Super Bowl. Dang it, man. Okay, dude, we need 1 more win. 1 more win to get to the Super Bowl. I'm not even gonna hype it up. I'm just gonna turn around and hope for the best. Did we win? Did I win?
I don't know.
31-27. Are you serious? Hey man, what if John Brown played? What if John Brown wasn't hurt and he played, dude? Comment which team you guys think we should do in the next episode. Which team you think we should rebuild in the next one? And
Derp,